Hello everyone. Welcome back to Stock and Crypto World with VJ. Today we're diving into the exciting world of emerging cryptocurrencies. In 2024, three new contenders, RCO Finance, RCOF, Floki Inu, Floki, and Arbitrum, ARB, are making waves as potential Dogecoin killers. These projects could outpace the growth of meme coins like Dogecoin, Doge, and Shiba Inu, SHIB. So, let's explore why these crypto assets might be the next big thing in the market. First up, we have RCO Finance, RCOF. This project has caught the eye of many investors, especially those looking for high returns. During its token pre-sale, RCOF has attracted whales, large investors hoping for massive gains. Some are eyeing a potential 0.000x return on investment. But what really sets RCO Finance apart is its AI-powered robo-advisor. This advanced tool is designed to help traders make smart decisions and maximize their profits. RCO Finance is committed to democratizing the investment process, ensuring that both novice and experienced investors can thrive in the volatile crypto market. The robo-advisor uses sophisticated analytics to identify promising investment opportunities across various assets, including stocks, commodities, real-world assets, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. What's more, the robo-advisor develops tailored strategies based on individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Unlike traditional advisors, this AI tool is more cost-effective and free from emotional or biased decision-making. In addition to its innovative robo-advisor, RCO Finance offers a suite of DeFi services, such as staking, yield farming, borrowing, and lending. Plus, it boasts a KYC-free registration process and has passed a solid proof audit, confirming its security and reliability. With all these features, RCO Finance is positioning itself as a strong contender in the crypto space. Next, let's talk about Floki Inu, Floki. Originally launched as a fun nod to Elon Musk's Shiba Inu dog, Floki has evolved into a comprehensive ecosystem with significant growth potential. Unlike other meme tokens, Floki offers tangible utility and a robust community support system. It's become popular due to aggressive marketing and strong social media presence, and its integration with major decentralized finance, DeFi platforms adds to its appeal. While the price of Floki has been relatively sluggish recently, trading at around $0.000148, top analysts believe there's potential for an uptrend if key support levels hold. With new exchange listings and a solid roadmap, Floki could be an exciting choice for investors looking to diversify their portfolios. Finally, we have Arbitrum, ARB, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Arbitrum is designed to enhance Ethereum's performance by delivering high throughput and low transaction fees. It uses optimistic rollups technology to bundle transactions before submitting them to the Ethereum mainnet, maintaining the security and compatibility of the Ethereum ecosystem. Despite a recent dip in its native token's price, with ARB trading at $0.513, some analysts remain bullish. They note a divergence between ARB's price and daily active addresses, suggesting the potential for a price surge to 95 cents soon. As more projects and users flock to Arbitrum for its efficiency and cost savings, it's solidifying its position as a key player in decentralized finance. In conclusion, RCO Finance, Floki Inu, and Arbitrum are three promising projects that could potentially outpace Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in 2024. Each brings unique features and advantages to the table, making them worth considering for investors looking to ride the next wave in crypto. Remember though, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the stock and crypto world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.